And this is the first image of the gangster Anmol Bishnoi, the most wanted criminal. The first image that you can see of his back alongside the NIA agents there at the Delhi International Airport. The Indira Gandhi International Airport is where Anmol Bishnoi has landed in that chartered plane. He will be taken to the Patiala House Court directly from the airport. But the first image that you can see of the notorious gangster, the brother, the younger brother of Lawrence Bishnoi, who has finally reached India. He has reached Delhi. Aditya, my colleague, joining us. Aditya, of course, this is the first image that we can see on NDTV, showing our viewers the first image. From the back, we can see Lawrence Bishnoi's brother, Anmol Bishnoi, at the Indira Gandhi International Airport.
Well, yes, breaking first on NDTV, the first photograph of Anmol Bishnoi from the Bishnoi gang has in fact landed in India. There's an official confirmation that has come from the National Investigation Agency. We're breaking the first photograph. You can see two members of the NIA along with Anmol Bishnoi in this photograph at the Delhi airport. This is a picture that has been taken at the Delhi airport moments ago after his landing. In fact, I have a statement from the National Investigation Agency that I can read out to you now. It says that the National Investigation Agency on Tuesday arrested the brother and close aide of dreaded gangster Lawrence Bishnoi on his deportation from the US to India. It says that absconding since 22, US-based Anmol Bishnoi is the 19th accused to be arrested for his involvement in the terror syndicate led by his jailed brother Lawrence Bishnoi. So it's a big achievement. The statement also says that Anmol was charge-sheeted by the NIA in March 23 after investigations in the case established that he had actively aided designated individual terrorists Goldie Brar and Lawrence Bishnoi in the commission of various acts of terrorism in the country during the 2023 period. So NIA trying to elaborate on what the crimes against humanity that Anmol Bishnoi have really committed, and that's why he has been arrested. And finally, the NIA in its statement confirming the arrest of Anmol Bishnoi also says that operating closely with various Bishnoi gang associates, Anmol continued to run terror syndicates and execute terrorist acts from the US for the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, using its operatives on the ground. Investigations revealed that Anmol Bishnoi had provided shelter and logistics support to the gang shooters and ground operatives. He was also engaged in extortion in India from foreign soil with the help of other gangsters. That's the case that has been built up against Anmol Bishnoi, the top member of the Bishnoi gang and brother of Lawrence Bishnoi. And NIA continues to investigate the case under the following number, the terror gangster conspiracy case led by Lawrence Bishnoi, as part of his efforts to destroy the nexus between terrorists, gangsters and arms smugglers, including their infrastructure and funding channels. So that's the big statement that has come from the National Investigation Agency. Moments ago, Anmol Bishnoi has landed here at Delhi's T3, the Indira Gandhi International Airport. He is now in the custody of the National Investigation Agency, and from here, the NIA would be taking him to for a medical checkup and then to the Patiala House Court, where, of course, Anmol Bishnoi will be produced, and then the NIA would be seeking at least a 14 days remand, a core custodial interrogation to get and unearth the entire conspiracy of the Bishnoi gang, and particularly Lawrence Bishnoi and Anmol Bishnoi, to understand who all were the gang members, and also the murder conspiracy of Baba Siddiqui, Sidhu Moosewala and several others. So a top gangster here has been arrested, deported from the United States, has touched down here in the national capital, and any moment now will be taken out from the airport and produced before the court at Patiala House.
Right. Of course, Aditya, Anmol Bishnoi, who was detained in California last year, he was kept under police custody, is now being deported. Of course, he has reached here. He's being taken now to the Patiala High Court, where he is, of course, it is the NIA seeking the custody of this notorious gangster, the most wanted, the plotter of the shootout, the killing of the NCP leader. We're talking about Baba Siddiqui. When we talk about his criminal network that has stretched over several countries, Aditya, not just the United States and India, but also Portugal, Italy, and many other Middle East countries as well.
Well, that's right. The nexus of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang has been far and wide. They've been claiming responsibility for crimes committed not just in India, but abroad as well. After the killing of Baba Siddiqui, it was been found that, this particular person Anmol Bishnoi was either in Canada or in the United States, and thereafter, last year between October and November, he was apprehended, he was arrested, and then his processing was done. India also sought deportation of Anmol Bishnoi because, you know, he's an Indian citizen, he had forged documents, and of course, there have been, the epicenter of the Bishnoi gang has been in India, but they have been cultivating a huge network in Canada and United States as well. Apart from that, in Portugal, in Middle East as well, there have been several members of the Bishnoi gang who have been taking safe shelter in these areas. So it's a big achievement coming in from the National Investigation Agency, because now the entire case of the Baba Siddiqui murder could be solved, because immediately after the National Investigation Agency, there will be Mumbai Police, the Punjab Police, Haryana Police, the Gujarat Police and the Rajasthan Police seeking immediate custody of this person, because they would want to solve their particular cases, because there are numerous FIRs that are registered against Anmol Bishnoi and several of the gang members associated with him. It is also being said that Anmol Bishnoi was running a gang of sharpshooters and other members across northern India. So potentially during the interrogation, he can speak a little and spill the beans about the entire network of the Bishnoi gang, who were the members, who were the other gangs that were also in association with them, particularly in Delhi, Haryana and Punjab. And this could potentially solve a major gang problem across northern India, where a lot of killings have happened, a lot of threats have been issued. So clearly it's a big achievement for the agencies, particularly the NIA and the government of India, because for long they had been trying to seek custody of Anmol Bishnoi, but finally it has happened. Just to give you a glimpse of where I am right now, I'm at the international airport, and this is the area likely where the Anmol Bishnoi could be taken out from, although it's not a surety. For security purposes, this could be a decoy as well, and he could be perhaps taken out from other gates as well. But here, massive security arrangements have been made. There are Delhi police personnel, commandos and barricading that has been done across this entire area. But officially, the NIA has confirmed the arrest of Anmol Bishnoi immediately after landing here in the national capital. And along with that, they also shared a photograph in which we can clearly see Anmol Bishnoi not facing the camera, but photograph taken from the backside, and two sleuths of the National Investigation Agency also along with him. A big achievement for the National Investigation Agency and for the crackdown against the Bishnoi gang that was imminent from the Government of India, from the NIA and various security agencies and police, from the Delhi Police Special Cell to the Rajasthan Police to Punjab Police and others. So it will be important during the interrogation how Anmol Bishnoi spills the beans about this network that they have cultivated across northern India, particularly in Mumbai, and also in the Salman Khan threatening case. A lot of threats have been issued to superstar Salman Khan. Firing was done outside his residence as well, and there were various threats that were issued that were very much visible. So in that direction also it is a major breakthrough, where the NIA, the Mumbai police and others can find out and piece together who all are these people who are trying to threaten Salman Khan, and what is the agenda, what is the conspiracy like, and is there potentially there are more such conspiracies that could be underway. So very interesting development. We will have to also wait now after the medical checkup. Anmol Bishnoi will be produced before the Patiala House Court, where of course the NIA would be seeking 14 days custody. Will that be possible? Because remember, the NIA is the lead agency at the national level solving this gang problem, but there are various state polices as well who want their custody. So immediately after custody is given to him, there could be application files from the state police seeking his custody. So Anmol Bishnoi here in the national capital, NDTV keeping you ahead on the latest developments that are coming in from the ground. But any moment, the entire convoy of security can take Anmol Bishnoi from the airport to the Patiala House Court.
Right.